Hey, this is Metakit again from Team Blizzard. I'm going to be going over the figure 8. Cheap, simple trick. Looks awesome. If you can, an easy way, draw the number 8 in the air with your hand, finger, it doesn't matter. And then what you're going to do with that is follow it with your other hand. To make that simpler, like really simpler, you're going to imagine like you're just crossing your hands, okay? You have like your base hands, put your hands out in front of you. You're going to cross it, cross your arms, undo it, like so they're above you. Cross them again, undo it. So the entire motion is 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross, uncross, cross, uncross. From there, you can either do it really slow, which I just showed you, or you can do it really fast. Cheap and simple, frigid, but it works. From there, you can add a lot of things, but like I said, an easier way. That's an easier way. But if you want to get more technical into it, to draw a figure 8 in the air, if you can, follow it. It's basically the same thing. So 1, cross, that's your figure 8. So, we gotta go. This is Metakit. Bye.